in which we are going to be placing PDFs on here. We're going to get rid of the text version that we'd had before, the text-only version that we'd had before, and have this image version here. It's pretty simple to do. I'll show you how. I will go ahead and delete this so that we can start over from scratch. This is how it goes. You click Add Media. Now you already have to have the PDFs uploaded, and I know before there'd been some problem with uploading the whole PDF at once. I'll send you a message about that separately. But for right now, then we'll just use this as an example. Let's say that this is the PDF we want and it has the entirety of what we need. Then we need to know right now what the URL is. Sorry, I got those emails popping up in the way. And down here, this is the address for the PDF. And it is the attachment display settings. That's where it's at, but you don't need to worry about that. Or you can get it from here, same thing. And you copy that. Now, in the meantime, we're going to select these three here. You can select more than one item by holding down Shift and clicking on them. And then we have those selected, and then we're going to click Create Gallery, and then those are still selected there, so create a new gallery. We have these three selected. Now, this part over here, then you want to change this to full size, because we've already made these the size that we want. And we did that just through saving them in a photo editing program. And then we can choose the number of columns. We're going to do 3 right now, but you could do any number you wanted really, although given the size you're going to have limits on what can actually fit in there. Link, you're going to leave it to attachment page. Now what you need to do here is you need to click on each one, and then you can change what the date is for it underneath here. Right now we're using all the same image for these, but typically you'd use the image for that particular date. And so we have April 1st, 2015, May 1st, 2015, June 1st, 2015. But then when you click on these, you'll notice also down here that you have this place where it says Gallery Link URL. This one's already set up on this one because I did it earlier. But what you would do is that then you would paste that address that we copied earlier for the PDF. You'd paste it into there, and you'd go through and you would do that on each one with the correct address. Okay, and so typically you're only going to be doing one per issue, so it won't be too much that you're doing at once. Right now we're doing 3 just so we can get a look at how it's going to appear once you have all these filled out. And we have everything we need there, and then we're going to insert gallery. After we insert gallery, we're going to preview the changes so we can see what this looks like. And you can see these go across there. You can click on here to have your to be able to look at that PDF. Now I noticed that right now you're not able to click down here, and that's maybe not ideal. What we're going to do to fix that is we can add in just a little thing here that says click image to view. We can put that at the end of each one, and then that can resolve that issue for us. And we can paste that in. And I think we have a pretty nice looking little gallery here now. And these will be in order. And then when you click on these, then it loads up the PDF. These will be in order of the date. All you have to do in the gallery is make sure that you have them in the right order up here. And if something is out of order, say that we get those ones mixed up, you just click and you drag back, and you're good to go. And once you're ready to publish it, you can click Update, and then you have your full version out there. And that's what we have on the PDFs. Let me know if you have questions.